So we have a tubular lock here. It's just a cheap tubular lock, and you're going to come across, quite a few of these in your career. Most of them can be picked open, but if you can't pick them open, these cheaper ones you can drill real easy. The more expensive ones that have hard plate and hard metals in them can be drilled, but they take longer and they need carbide bits or diamond tip bits. Notice right here how small the diameter of this bolt is. This is probably a 1/4 inch at the most. So if we drill right through the center with a 1/4 inch bit, it should just take this piece off, and then whatever it's on, whatever door that this lock is on, the door will just open. Then we can unscrew the lock nut off the back and just replace the lock. If you want to take one of these apart and see what's inside, there's a plug you have to drill out. You drill that plug out, drill it out carefully, and you can take this apart and you can see all the pieces inside of it. Okay, now I normally start with a smaller diameter bit to test and see how hard the material is. I'm going to start with a 5/32 bit, and like I said, with the main objective here is to stay right in the center of the lock. Okay, that's pretty close. We're going to drill that a little bit. Okay, we're dealing with pretty soft material here, which is good. Some of these are very hard. You're going to need carbide tipped or diamond tipped bits to get through some of these. But this one's pretty soft. So far, now there could be a piece of hard plate in there yet. Bit came loose. Tighten that up a little bit. Okay, we're going to go with a little larger bit. We're going to go with a 1/4 inch bit and see if that'll take that out. Okay, well, I don't know if you noticed that, but the tail piece on the back flipped around, so it actually turned the tail piece already. I'm going to go ahead and drill it off. So you can see, here's the tail piece. It drilled it off, just that simple. Okay, here's the lock we just drilled, and I did a pretty good job staying center on it. Here's the piece that drilled off, and you can see we were pretty close in the center on that piece. Here is an ace lock that I drilled off, and this was very hard metal. It had this rod on the back like that, and I think it probably took 7 or 8 minutes to drill that with carbide bits. It was, like I say, very hard metal. When drilling a tubular lock, start with a smaller bit for 2 reasons. 1, to get a pilot hole started in the center of the lock, and 2, to test the hardness of the metal. Please take just a moment to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.